Hi, today is day 4. I'm not feeling very fine. I found one chick dead and I found 2 of them looking weak and 2 of them with leg weakness. One of them was convulsing. It was turning like its neck around. And I must tell you, I'm not having a very good morning. I had to call some vets and my friends to explain, to help me establish what's going on. So right now I'm from visiting some vets, buying some vitamins and some antibiotics. So I came here at around 4:30, and it wasn't so good. So I was able to establish 2 or 3 things, and I'm going to effect them immediately for me to save my flock. So one of the things I established, I think my chicks were not having enough heat. That's the first thing. And the other thing that I established is the brooder pepper. So as we speak now, I'm here to remove this brooder pepper. I'm supposed to leave it up to 7 days, but mine is very dirty and I must remove it. What happens is that once the brooder pepper is on and it's very dirty, it gets wet. That means the heat is up, but down the chicks are very cold. It's like you having a baby. When the baby wets their diapers and everything, on the outside they are dry, but inside they are wet, so they will not be comfortable. And once the birds are not comfortable, it means they are going to use so much, all the minerals and nutrients they are eating, they are going to divert them to keeping themselves warm, and that's what's happening in here. So I'm going to be doing it slowly without stressing these birds. So we have successfully removed the brooder pepper. Look at these guys. Look at them. They're able to eat food, they're able to show the difference. Let's pray the situation improves, inshallah. I'm also going to remove the tops of these feeders because they are too big for them. I'm also going to put some antibiotics in their water so that they can get the treatment they want. Thing is, there's one thing I've realized. If something worked for you last time, please maintain it even in subsequent batches. For example, the things that I used and I was supposed to implement them, I was supposed to use them even in this second flock, but somehow, my mind, I don't know what happened. For example, the first thing I changed, last time I used SR feeds for mice as starter pellets, and they're very fine. This time I've used the Impala. Impala is also not fine. And this other thing that I bought Surelight multivitamin for my chicks. Last time I used Aminovit Best, and it was very good. I experienced the same problem last time on the same day. I lost chicks on day 3. Today I've lost them on day 4. Problem is the brooder pepper. Even last time I had to remove it. Practices that made you successful in the previous flock, kindly maintain them. If something worked for you real well, if there's a practice you were doing and it worked for you so well, please don't go away from it. That's the advice I'm giving you. I've learned my lesson, and of course the things that I registered last time that I was noting down, I'm going to go back and revise them and make sure I improve instead of again acting like I'm a newbie in this. So I must tell you the truth because with me, I must be honest. I'm not going to lie to you about anything.